It's very important to know all of the features that LinkedIn Recruiter has because they can actually help you and reduce the overwork that you have a lot, and also help you with organizing your search. In this video, I wanted to talk a little bit about some special features that LinkedIn Recruiter Lite has that can actually help you a lot in organizing your search, organizing your emails. So yeah, let's talk about it. Hi, my name is Cornelia. Welcome to my channel. I usually post videos about recruitment and HR topics, and in today's video I wanted to talk a little bit about some of the interesting features that LinkedIn Recruiter Lite have, especially for people that are using it for professional purposes, but they don't have all of the perks from LinkedIn Recruiter Corporate. The first thing that I wanted to mention is that you can actually set reminders, notes, and links for each candidate's profile when you are seeing them. So as you see in this example, you can actually set a reminder for them in case you would like to send a follow-up, because as you already know, on LinkedIn Recruiter Lite, you don't have the option to send automated follow-ups. So you can actually set there a reminder to set a follow-up in the future. You can go to the first page of your LinkedIn Lite and click here reminders, and you can select them from reminders that are overdue, so the ones that you had to do it in the past but you didn't do them, and the ones that are upcoming. And if you click on the upcoming ones, you will actually see the reminder that I set for this specific candidate that I have to follow up with him. You can actually set the notes. Maybe you already talked with the candidate and they said that they are not open to work now, but they are open to work in 6 months from now on. This would be a good idea to actually set notes on candidates based on what you talked with them before and message them in the future based on the needs that you will have. Then on the links tab, you can actually put there the link of the social media, or maybe the link that they had for one of their GitHub accounts for their portfolio, etc., etc. So in the future, if you would like to message this candidate again, you can actually find there the link that they will have, and of course have more information about this specific candidate, their experience, and if it's worth messaging the second time or not. The next interesting feature is that you can actually look for different candidates based on the profile of a specific candidate. So if you saw a profile of a candidate that you believe is the perfect one, you can actually go to these 3 dots that you have here, find more people like. And if you press on that button, LinkedIn will actually show you more people that have similar profiles with this specific profile of this candidate that you liked. Another feature that is similar with the one that I've mentioned before, with find more candidates like it, is do a search based on ideal candidate. And yeah, this is very similar with the one that I already mentioned. So here you can actually write the name of a specific candidate, the one that you believe is perfect, and you can ask LinkedIn to show you more people that are very similar or that have profiles similar with the one that you entered here. And yeah, this will be very helpful because it will help you narrow down the search, because LinkedIn will show you people that are similar with this specific profile. And yeah, you won't have to actually go through the whole part of completing the filters with all of the skills, all of the things that are written in the job description, etc., etc. Another interesting part is that you can actually ask for a review from the hiring manager or from other people that are involved in the recruitment process for a specific candidate that you saw. And the way that you are doing it is click on the candidate's profile. You have to click on this arrow here, and another window will pop up where you can actually write a message that you would like to share this profile with. Select the person and then write a message there for them to review the person or to give their opinion on this specific profile, etc., etc. You can actually do this thing in reverse. Maybe you had a situation when someone asked your opinion on specific candidates. You have here on this specific tab with give profile feedback, and if you click on it, you'll see all of the candidates that another person in your company, maybe your colleague, your manager, etc., asked you to review those specific candidates. As you see, it will open another window and you'll see who is the person that asked for you to review those specific candidates and what are the candidates that that specific person asked a review of. And here you can actually see if that person will be a good fit or not, or just dismiss that specific person. Another group of features that I wanted to show you are the ones that are in an internal project that you have. So a project where you already saved candidates and you are preparing to message those specific candidates. And first of all, I wanted to show you the fact that you can actually archive candidates. Unfortunately, you cannot delete a specific person that you already saved in my project, but if you don't want those specific profiles to be there anymore, you can just archive them and work with the other people or other profiles that you are saved there and didn't archived. And another thing that I wanted to show you is that you can actually use the filter search in the interior of a project that you already created, in which you already saved a number of specific candidates. This is very useful, especially if you like to create personalized messages for a group of people. And as you see here, you have multiple filters that you can select the people. You can select it based on the skills, number of experience, previous company, etc., etc. And if you like to create a general message that sounds a bit personalized, you can actually select a skill that all of the people already saved here have, and create that specific email based on that skill. You can write something similar with, I was very impressed in your experience that you have with skill X, and that's why I wanted to message you and get in contact with you for this specific position. And of course, because you already selected all of the people in your project that have that specific skill, all of the people might believe that that specific message was somehow personalized, because guess what, they actually have that skill. You can actually do that with the company that they are working for, with a number of years of experience. We are looking for someone that has more than 6 years of experience, and yeah, in this case you will select people in the project, the one that you already saved, that have more than 6 years of experience. So yeah, you can actually do that, and it will be a very easy way to select the people in the project, the one that you already saved, that you believe it would be a good fit, and do this kind of personalized messages that you can actually send for a bigger number of candidates, not only for one specific candidate. So yeah, this will be all of the features that LinkedIn Recruiter Lite has that I believe are very interesting and that can help you somehow organize better the emails that you're about to send, or the times where you choose to send a follow-up email, etc., etc. And I do believe that they are very interesting in my opinion, and everyone can use them, of course, if they know about them. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!